In this video, you'll learn how to change the language in Kimi AI. This process allows you to customize your experience by selecting your preferred language for interaction with the application. Start by navigating to the Kimi AI website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Kimi AI. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface of Kimi AI, which features various options and tools available for use. Next, locate the profile drop-down menu. This can typically be found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this area to reveal a list of options related to your user account and settings. After that, look for the option labeled language within the drop-down menu. Clicking on this will bring up a selection of available languages for you to choose from. A new window or menu will appear displaying the language options. Now, find and click on English or your desired language from the list provided. Once you make your selection, the system will process this change. You may notice a brief loading indicator while the application updates your language preference. It is important to ensure that your internet connection is stable during this process, as any interruptions could affect the language change. If you experience slow upload speeds or connectivity issues, it may take longer for the change to take effect. Additionally, if you are using a mobile device, ensure that you have sufficient data or Wi-Fi connectivity to avoid any potential interruptions. Once the language has been successfully changed, you will return to the main interface, now displayed in your selected language. This confirmation lets you know that your preferences have been applied correctly. You can now continue using Kimi AI in your chosen language with ease. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.